From seeds in trays to young seedlings protected under bell cloches and now to free flourishing plants, I've been successfully and slowly growing sweet corn over the past few months. As of the 1st of August 2020, so yesterday, the height of the sweet corn is now approaching my waist, which is exciting, but recently I've been battling a tough fight. Pests have been damaging my plants recently, creating slits in the leaves and cuts all along the plant. And initially the slits were small, but they've gotten dramatically worse over the weeks, to the point where they can be so severe it looks like the leaves have been physically chewed up by something. And I'm at my wit's end with what to do and how to resolve this. So I undertook some research. I found there's an insect called the southern corn or maize billbug, and if you have severe slits in your leaves, then you've got billbug damage. It's a pest that attacks corn at the base of the plant or just below soil level, and my corn's problems seem to be reminiscent of billbug damage. There wasn't a lot of information on how to cure a corn plant once it's been attacked in its mature stage, so I just panicked and bought an insecticide. My insecticide doesn't list billbug on the back of the pests it will attack, but I just sprayed the insecticide on my corn plant and just hoped for the best, really. The plants began to flourish, and so in my mind the issue had been resolved as the leaves were starting to look healthy again. But in actual fact the infestation returned, and with a vengeance. My third corn plant had now been affected, which had previously not been affected, and the slits and cuts got progressively worse and were now appearing on multiple leaves in all three plants and running up and down the corn leaves. So at this point I'm desperate. I'm scared of losing my corn to pests, and I'm scared that I won't be able to harvest a good crop in the early autumn to be able to eat. From my research, billbug pests seem to be prevalent in the US, but there wasn't a lot of information to show that they exist in the UK. And so at this point I'm confused and I'm appealing for help. If anyone has had this similar problem with their corn plants, please reach out to me. I want to resolve this and I want to be able to eat some tasty corn soon.